Hi guys, hope everyone is very well. Beautiful sunny day in London today. As you can see, I thought why not do a first motorbike vlog on my way to work, and hope you guys will enjoy it. Hi guys, welcome to my first motorbike vlog. So let's watch the traffic. This is my normal typical route to work. So yeah, today's topic: pros and cons of riding a motorbike in London. I have been riding 6 years. I do most of my commute on motorbike and very less than 20% commute on car. So 80% of the time I do ride motorbike. There are more pros of riding motorbike than cons. I shall tell you my thoughts on it, and this is truly based on my thoughts. It's not an advice or instructions by any means. So first pro positive about riding motorbike is it's fun than using a train or bus to work or after work. It saves you a lot of time compared to public transport or even driving your own car. It's half the time than any means of commute, and it is by far the fastest way of commute within the city. Second, it keeps you awake. So normally, I can only talk on my experience. When I take commute, if I take train to work, by the time I leave home and take train and arrive work is in more than an hour, 15-20 minutes journey. And by using a motorbike, I can be on work within 30 minutes, 35 minutes I will say. Saving a lot of time. You can see now what's happening. If you will be driving or I'll be driving a car today, we will be stuck in a normal London traffic, and this traffic right now is not peak hours. It's 2 o'clock, 2:15, and look at the traffic. And if it would be a peak hours, it will be even worse. So I think this situation now says it all by saving time and fun. So the third positive is it's very convenient to go central London or anywhere in London and park compared to driving a car. There are no congestion charge or no ultra low emission charge involved as far you ride a motorbike after 2010 model or later than 2010 model. And talking about negatives, there are a few. So if you try to invest on a motorbike, please make sure you have a right and secure parking at your home and at work if you do regular commute the way I do. because there are no secret on motorbike thefts. You can Google the search and you can see that there are thousands and thousands of motorbikes stolen every year. So if you decide to buy, please invest on a secure parking and invest on a proper security gear like locks or chains or any safety means, and then you'll be fine, and you will be grateful many times when you're on two wheels that the amount of benefits you get. Second negative, as London is very crowded and busy city, so on peak hours the traffic is very rough and rush. So you have to be very careful, because not much people are willing to give you a space during peak hours. Especially everyone is trying to get to work or from work to home, hustle and bustle London life. So you have to be very cautious and be careful. And that's it. So more positive and less negative. If you like this video, guys, please hit that like button and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and ride safe, and see you on next time.